So if you've been following the tweets, you would know that AI is reshaping the way we create and produce. And for this video today, I'm going to showcase how to add additional features to your Orderly-powered DEX using simple tools like Claude Code. If you're not familiar with what Orderly is, it's an exchange launchpad that lets anyone launch a perpetual exchange within a few minutes using no code and no development skill sets. I'm not going to go into too much depth of how to create the exchange using Orderly. I have a video posted right here that explains everything step by step. So I have the Orderly page pulled up right in front of me, as you can see, and just to start building, you hit this button and it's going to take you to your DEX launchpad where you can go and create your DEX. But for this example, I've already created my exchange. So after you've finished your exchange, you're going to have something that's going to look like this. So here is your exchange GitHub link and your exchange link that you can go ahead and paste into your browser. For this example, I created a quick DEX called Gold Digger DEX, and it's a cool, cute little pudgy with a cigar and gold chains on his neck. So I want to actually showcase some of the crazy things that some of the Orderly team members has built out using something like Claude or OpenClaw. The first example I'm going to show you is a deal screen trading view. So as you see, normally there's only one screen that you're able to view as a trading view, but this guy decided no, he wants two trading view screens, and that's exactly what he did. And also a bunch of other cool stuff. This guy also added some heat maps and showcasing liquidity, showcasing everything that there is to know about the order book. For another example, this guy, co-founder of Orderly, he created this exchange and added a ton of features. One of the coolest features that if you just open up the exchange, I'll link the exchange down below. But yeah, you open it up and you're greeted with this world map. It's called Terminal right over here. And you're able to see some big events happening in the world. For instance, the Iran war. For instance, another good one is the oil shipments. Another cool thing that this DEX has included is live TV. So the possibility of being able to go and look at different news channels is very good. Once again, the founder has added a bunch of different charts that you can see and navigate around. All of those things are definitely cool. It definitely assists on the user experience, and I think that's one of the things that matters most, especially as a trader. But anyways, I'm going to showcase how to create this or some ideas. First of all, you want to go to the Orderly One dashboard. So after you've created your DEX, you would land on a page like this, Manage Your DEX. And there will be a bunch of different sections you can go and read through. But the main thing, what we're going to be looking for is this DEX creation status and then the GitHub link. We're going to open that up. And for this, we are going to just go ahead and copy this link and go to our Claude Code. And then for this, I'm just going to put it on auto accept edits. This thing's also saved sometimes. Anyways, let's start. I'm going to paste the link in. Okay, so as easy as that, I've just added a bunch of new features, 1, 2, and 3. I needed to add a tab on the DEX labeled as news, and that will display live news features. And for number 2, I've asked it to add a tab to the menu that's going to let viewers look up more than 2 up to 4 trading pairs at once to just see all the graphs. And then number 3 is once again news feature but in written text. So let's paste that into Claude Code and let's hit enter. For this, if you just created a new workspace, just trust workspace. And as easy as that, that's like the hardest part, is just like thinking about cool ideas, how you can prompt it and letting the agent do all the work. But this is going to take some time, so I'll be back when this has loaded. Okay, so what's happening now is I've just selected to go and view the actual application using something like the local host, and it's going throughout the whole program. It's looking at, okay, what it has done, it takes screenshots of it and it implements it back into Claude Code, and then goes and reviews it and check if everything works perfectly fine. So it's literally doing testing as if a human would have used it and put it through various tests, takes screenshots of it and uploads it back into my actual workspace right here. And it's taken quite a significant amount of screenshots like the first few screenshots it didn't have anything that is ready how it should be, and now it's going back and assessing everything. Yeah, it's very, very, very cool. Okay, so as you can see now, it has revised a bunch of different screenshots to go looking at everything that I created, and I mean, this is insane. So here is my normal trading venue, my portfolio, and then obviously all the markets, and then the leaderboard, and then this is the new news section and all the news sections that I develop, or that my AI developed. First of it is being the news. So as you can see, it links all of the like very necessary things like the oil pullbacks, using AI at work is causing brain fry, like all of these different things. That Bitcoin strategy as limited US, so like, you can go explore it and check it out. And then a bunch of other ones as well. It's pretty cool. Then we have the multi-screen, the one that I just created, and this allows me to go and view a bunch of different charts at once and select what I want to look at very simply, and change the trading pair to like Avalanche or Ava. Go to like Doge and all these different trading views, and then we have the news feed. This is all the different things that's happening in the market at the moment. Bitcoin, not screen, but yeah, this is actually supposed to be like a live news video feed, but because I think it's because I prompted incorrectly, it maybe thought, okay, like the news section is more of like, okay, what's actually happening. It's not a live video TV news section, but it's still pretty cool. But yeah, without further ado, thanks so much for watching. I pasted the Orderly One link down in the description, and I've pasted also a few videos that is directly linked to the Orderly One, how to build it, how to configure it, how to launch it, etc. So without further ado, enjoy the building. I'll see you guys in the next one.